Hi, I'm Nayo Carter-Gray, and I help small business owners keep their accounting in check to help them run their businesses with peace of mind. I'm partnering with QuickBooks on this video series to help you run and grow your business. Sometimes that means looking into the future to project your forecasted revenues and expenses. So, are you ready to dive into the financial world of projections and forecasting? I know you're eagerly awaiting to hear the future of your finances, of what my magic crystal ball has in store. But before we continue, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the QuickBooks channel for more content just like this. And if you're a reader like me, check the link in the description below for an article on this topic. What is a financial projection? A financial projection is a forecast of future revenues and expenses. Typically, this forecast will take a look at your internal data as well as external market factors, things like economic conditions and other broader trends. You will need to create a short-term and mid-term financial projection. A short-term financial projection accounts for your business's first year and is usually listed out month by month. A mid-term financial projection typically accounts for the upcoming 3 years and is outlined year by year. Starting with a template or using accounting software like QuickBooks will allow you to get a jump start when preparing to draft your own financial projections. All financial projections should have 3 financial statements. The income statement. This statement shows your revenues, expenses, and net incomes over a period of time. If you're starting your projections prior to starting your business, this is going to be where you do most of your forecasting. The key components of an income statement are revenue. This is the money you'll generate by selling your goods or services. Cost of goods sold, which are the costs you'll incur to create or produce those goods for resale. Expenses. And these are the costs you'll incur that you'll typically need in order to run your business. Things such as accounting or legal fees, as well as insurance or office supplies. Operating profits. These are your revenues minus your expenses. Income taxes. Well, that's kind of self-explanatory. And lastly, we have net profit, and that is your operating profit less your income taxes. Cash flow projection. This statement will demonstrate to an investor or a loan officer that you are a good credit risk and can pay back your debts. The 3 sections of a cash flow projection are cash in. These are the sales you plan on bringing in. Be careful not to be overly optimistic with your revenue amounts. Cash out. These are the amounts you're expecting to pay during the month. And lastly, cash flow. Take your cash in and subtract out your cash out, and that leaves you with your cash flow. If you want to learn how to use the cash flow planner in QuickBooks Online, follow the arrow on the screen. Balance sheet. Just so happens to be my favorite statement, but it is the statement that shows your company's net worth at a particular time. It includes the following categories. Assets, which are the tangible objects your company owns that can be converted to cash. Liabilities, which are the debts the company owes to others. And then equity, which includes your initial investment in the business as well as the accumulated profits over time. But to make the math easy, your equity is equal to the net difference between your assets and your liabilities. While preparing your financial projections, it's important to be as realistic as possible. You don't want to over or underestimate your projected revenue. So it's a good idea to have a friend or trusted advisor review your financial projections. And don't hesitate to use the online resources that are located in and below this video. Let's look into your future and see what my magic crystal ball says. Looks like you're going to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the QuickBooks channel for more video content just like this. See you next time.